Welcome to 36 plus acres of East Tennessee countryside, where a beautifully custom built home meets complete privacy, a private shooting range, and an incredible 3-car workshop. Located in Greenbelt and just minutes from the Tennessee River, this exceptional property offers the perfect balance of peaceful country living and modern convenience. plan includes 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. The open main living area features impressive 10-foot ceilings, beautiful white oak flooring, elegant crown molding, and a dedicated home office that's perfect for working remotely. The spacious kitchen is complemented by granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, and plenty of room for gathering with family and friends. The oversized primary suite provides a comfortable private retreat, while 2 additional guest bedrooms on the main level offer convenience for family or visitors. Upstairs, the finished bonus room above the garage includes its own half bath, creating flexible space that could easily serve as a guest suite, game room, or home gym. Throughout the home, quality construction is evident, with 2x6 exterior walls, foam insulation, heated tile floors, a tankless water heater, and the added peace of mind of a Generac whole home generator. Step outside, and the property becomes even more impressive. The covered patio creates the perfect space for relaxing or entertaining, while the fire pit invites you to enjoy quiet evenings under the Tennessee sky. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate having a private shooting range right on the property, giving you the freedom to enjoy recreational shooting without ever leaving home. One of the standout features is the impressive 1,191 square foot detached 3-car garage and workshop. Complete with its own electric meter and upstairs storage, it offers incredible flexibility for vehicles, equipment, hobbies, or even a future business workspace.